Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in last video we have learned all the introduction about the AutoCAD software, how to set units, how to set dimension. Then again later we have learned drawing tools. Everything we have learned step by step. So today's video is basically on modifying tools. Whatever drawing tools we have tried, on that basis only we are going to do the modification on that by using the modifying tools. So here we have learned line, polyline, circle, how to draw rectangle, types of circle, arc, again ellipse, and then hatch. So next we will see commands, all the modifying commands. So first I'll create some object and then we will go for the modifying tools. So here I'm going to create few circles and then few rectangles. So I want one small circle and again we will draw lines. So to set line or cursor to the 90-degree, we have one option, that is a ortho. You can here you can click or else you can press F8 key. To turn off and on both, you have to press F8. So here I want this line. Then again uh, I need few more rectangles here like this. Again I'll draw one arc. Suppose I want 3 point arc, first point, then orthomodal of second and third, like this. So this I don't want, so I'll erase this. So now one by one we will see the modifying command. Very first command is move command. The shortcut for move is yum. You have to enter yum. So here it is asking select object. Then you have to give enter. Now, suppose I want to move this object to this corner of the rectangle, then I'll pick this center point and just I'll place the on rectangle. So it is very easy to move. But if I don't want exactly to the center and I want exactly to the upward side, I want to align this point to the this edge. So what you have to do, just select the circle and then go for the move command and then select the bottom uh, most point and then pick over the paint point like this. This is the exact placement of move command. Again, if I want to move, just you observe the things, automatically you will get idea. Suppose I want to place on the midpoint and suppose I don't want exactly to the topward side, I want it to the bottom of this rectangle, then select the object first, go for move command and then select the topmost point and then keep it to the bottom point. If you want to move the object to the top, you have to select bottom point, and if you want bottom, then you have to select the top point. It is a vice versa. If you have to place it to the left side, you have to select the right point. So I'll show here. Suppose I want to place it to the left side, then I'll pick the right point and then I'll place to the left side. Again, it is same. If I want to the right side, then I'll pick the left point and then I'll place to the right hand side. So this is the procedure, or this is the steps you have to follow for the move command. Shortcut for the move, it is a yum enter. You have to press either yum enter, then select object and then give enter and then pick the point and then place the object where you want. This is the one step or one procedure. And again, if you want another method, then you can go for first select the object and then go for command and then you have to select the points which you want to move from which point. So this is same for all the commands. Either you can select the object first or you can select the command first. So both you will get the same output. So next we are having copy command. So for copy command, we are having shortcut is CO enter. Once if you will give, again you have to select object. Either you can right click on the mouse instead of giving the enter option. And then next you have to pick the point and then suppose if I want like this, multiple, you can create a copy for one object. Suppose I want this circle to every corner or every side of this rectangle, then select first the circle and then go for the copy command. And then now I want to place it for the right hand side, then I will select the right point. So for copy command, you have to select the same direction and same point. Suppose I want bottom point, so you have to select the bottom one. So exactly to the, suppose I want to the top side, so you have to select the top point. So this is reverse for the move and copy. In move command, we have to select the opposite point when we want to place, but in copy you have to select same point. So this is by using copy we have created the circle. Again, suppose this circle I want to the exactly corner, then you have to select the center point and place. Just select the and place. Once if you will select multiple copies, we can create. So next command is stretch command. Suppose if I have structure like this, I'll create one line like this. Now I want to stretch this body from this rectangle. Then you have to select the object and then go for stretch command. Then it will ask specify base point and then how much you want to stretch. You have to enter the value. Suppose I want 3 feet, enter like this. So this is the stretch amount I have given for that lines. So for stretch shortcut is ST or enter, then select object and then enter and then select base point and drag, and how much value you want you can give. So this is what we have learned, move, copy and stretch command. After that we are having rotate command. So in rotate, if you want it to rotate in horizontal or vertical direction, in that time the ortho mode it should be on. So what we have to do for rotate shortcut is RO enter, then select object. Suppose whole object I want to rotate, then here it is asking specify base point. If the ortho mode it is on, no need to give angle, just you have to drag and click. So it is very easy to rotate in 90-degree or horizontal or vertical. Just you have to on the ortho mode and just rotate and drag and click. Just drag, click, just drag, click. This is the very easy procedure to rotate in 90-degree if the ortho mode it is on. So once again I'll repeat, base point, click. Again select object, go for rotate, ortho mode on, just select any point, drag and click. So this is horizontal and vertical rotation, whatever we have learned up to this. So next, if you don't want to rotate in 90-degree, if you want in some angle, in that time the ortho mode should be off, and then I'll select the object first and then go for rotate command, and then you have to give angle how much you want. Suppose I want 270, enter. So it will take the reference whatever we have given first point for that object. Suppose I am rotating from this angle. Suppose if I will give 180, it will take a reference from that point. So suppose this I want to rotate. So we have to give direction for your object. Suppose if I want 45, enter. Likewise, now it has rotated to this direction. So which base point we are picking, according to that, the rotation value it will capture by default, and it will rotate to that angle. So we have given 45 angle as you can observe here. So you can check. So how much angle we have given. So that is 45-degree. So we are in the correct direction. Next, this is about the rotation. After rotation, we are having mirror command. So shortcut for mirror is MI enter. So select object, then right click. Then here it is asking specify first point of the mirror line. So we have to select, suppose if we don't have mirror axis or mirror line, I am going to explain that first. So select first line and the first point of the mirror line and then second point. So randomly I'll pick. Then you have to give erase source object. If you don't want to keep this object, then you have to give yes, and if you want to keep both object, then you have to give no option. So I want both the object, that's why I have given no option. So this what I have explained, that if you don't have the mirror axis or mirror line, if I have mirror line, so here I'll show, suppose this circle I want to mirror it to the topward side, and this is my mirror or mirror axis. So select object first, go for the mirror, and then select first point, then select second point. So what it will happen, exact we will get the distance, equally distance between the both object, like this is the mirror and this is the distance, it will be remain constant, but we don't have here exact idea. where the mirror axis or where the mirror line exactly. So you can either go by the mirror axis or any reference line, or randomly you can pick any 1 point or 2 point for the mirror line. Either you have to mirror for left or right, or you can mirror it to the top or bottom side. So it is very easy. Suppose I want to mirror whole the object, so ortho mode I will on. Just I'll pick the random first point, second point, and then no, like this. And if you don't want this object to mirror again, only one you want, so you have to give yes. So automatically by default the base object will get erased. So this what we have learned about the mirror line. Next is scale option. Suppose if I have the circle which is having radius of 10 feet. So this is a 10 feet circle I have created. And if I want to make it double or triple, so what you can go for the select object first, go for scale option. Now here what it is asking, specify base point. So this is the base point, and then it is asking scale factor. You have to give a scale factor in the ratio, whether you want double means 2, triple means 3. If you want half means 0.5 according to. If I want to make it double means 2, I will give enter. So before I have given the 10 as a radius, now you can check how much radius it is having. So it has come to 20. So this is the way to give the scaling. Suppose if here if I am having 5 feet, enter, and I'll select object and then go for scale option, and now I want to make it half, 0.5 I'll give, and then you can check now the radius it should come 2.5 feet. See, 2 feet 6 inches. That is almost half of the 5 feet. So this is the way to give the scaling, or else if you want to give uniform scale, you can select object, just give the base point, and you can easily freehand, you can scale it like this. For furniture layout, anything, if you want to drag trees, anything, sofa, chairs, accordingly you can go for the scale. Suppose if you have text and you want to increase the size, height, anything, if you want to do the modification related to size, you want to decrease or increase, in that case you can use the scale command. So shortcut for scale is SC enter. Just select the object and then give enter, and just give the base point and drag how much you want to increase or decrease. That ratio you have to give by using the numbers like this, 4 like this. So this is very easy method to do the scaling. Next, we are having trim and extend command. So all these remaining commands I'll explain you in the next video. These all the basic command you have to keep practicing. Whatever doubts if you are having, that you can ask me in comment box. Already we have learned introduction, we have learned drawing tools, we have learned modifying tools. According to that, whatever uh, you can do, you have to do in by using own, uh, you have to take the exercise from Google, you have to keep trying on that. I'll mention description, in description, whatever exercise or anything links related to that, you can go and check, you can practice for that. If any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Thanks for the watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I hope you have liked this video. Thank you.